AccuWeather's 2023 fall forecast is out, and our long-range experts say after a slow start to the fire season, it will ramp up for the rest of the summer and into the early fall.
We do think that the season will get going here pretty soon and could get pretty significant, especially across Northern California, Oregon, and parts of Nevada.
AccuWeather's Wildfire team, led by Paul Pastelok, says 5 million to 6.5 million acres are expected to burn across the United States this wildfire season, which is below historical averages. California is forecast to see 250,000 to 600,000 acres burn, also below the historical average of around 1 million acres a year.
One thing to watch is October. There's some signs that we may have some Santa Anas increasing during the month of October. That could spread any fires that are existing in parts of California and Nevada much quicker, much bigger.
In the Pacific Northwest, Pastelok says that it can be wet at times in September due to a brief pattern change, which could have an impact on the duration of wildfire season.
More rain or heavy rain coming in September, and that could hold back the Pacific Northwest from having a long wildfire season, at least the Cascades on northward, those areas.
For more on AccuWeather's fall forecast, visit AccuWeather.com. For AccuWeather, I'm Lincoln Riddle.